Folks, let me tell you something very important, very, very important. Learning English, it's tremendous, absolutely tremendous. People all over the world, they want to speak English. You know why? Because it's the language of business, of success, of winning, and we love winning, don't we? We love it. You learn English, you open doors. You get better jobs, better deals, better life. It's true. Everybody says it. I've seen people, great people, who didn't speak English before. Now they do. And guess what? They're doing amazing, just amazing. So I'm telling the youth, the workers, the dreamers, learn English. Practice every day. Watch shows, read books, talk to people. Because when you speak English, you speak opportunity, you speak confidence, and confidence, that's how you win. So let's make learning English great again. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.